And now, World Improv Network proudly presents Community Court.
Want to parties con nos over dispute? No. Community court is there to start the problem. See? Okay, everyone. All rise for the Honorable Judge William Law, capital I.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. I know, I had a new book come out called How to Take the Law into Your Own Hands and Avoid Small Claims Court or Avoid the Big Judge William Law III's Court, because it's expensive. Oh, it's not a comedy, it's the truth. I've earned my place on this chair up here, and I have to tell you that Martha, my wife, she gave me 2 Velveeta sandwiches to bring to work. Thanks, honey. I appreciate it.
Thanks, Judge. It was so good. Tell Martha to salsa next time.
All right. I know you like that velvety cheese sandwich. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the court docket in front of us today is very interesting, and I have to tell you, I have no personal interest in this item whatsoever, so I will be an impartial judge in this court case today. Now, in the courtroom, I have our plaintiff, Mr. Charles Pilsner, who has been sworn in. And Mr. Pilsner is suing the AAWA, the Americans Against Witches Association. Representing them today is Dr. Mort Wiltimer. Please, Mr. Pilsner, tell me exactly why you are suing the AAWA.
Yes, Judge. Well, I was going about my business on a fine day when all of a sudden I was snatched off the street by Dr. Mort here and his colleagues. I was taken to their scientific facilities where they tortured me repeatedly, day after day, accusing me of being a witch.
All right, so I'm going to ask you to point out.
So stop, Frank! He's not witch! No, I don't know, but no bite, no! Oh,
Spike, settle
Judge,
down.
I mean,
All
maybe.
right, Spike. Bailiff, can you take Spike out? I think he's got to go number 2.
Okay, come, Spike, come on.
All right.
Sit. Okay.
Now, Mr. Pilsner, I'm going to ask you point blank, sir. Are you a witch?
No, I'm a werewolf.
You're a werewolf.
Yes.
Have you ever been a witch, sir?
No, I've never practiced witchcraft.
Have you ever aspired to be a witch?
No, I aspire to be a lichen.
A lichen? Like on a rock?
No, like a lichen, like a
Oh, like
werewolf.
liked. I understand.
Yes.
I have a law degree, so you just wanted to see if people likened you.
Yes,
I get
you
it
could
now.
say that.
All right. So, yeah, you could just say like, and the future liking is the past tense of like. So, all right. So I understand that you're saying you're a werewolf. You were tortured and told you were a witch by the members of the AAWA. Dr. Mort Wiltimer, sir, could you please give me your side of the story?
Yes, what happened here was quite obvious. We were traveling in West Papua, the country, the West Papua in Southeast Asia, and
You were traveling, is that like a Hyundai, a Vest Popular?
no, we were traveling, we were exploring the countryside, yes, like this, in West Papua, which shares an island with Indonesia of Papua New Guinea. So we were traveling there, and I saw the plaintiff over here, Charles, and he was doing weird things in the trees. All of a sudden, he started to levitate, and I said, "Oh, that is a perfect example of Sanguma, which is witchcraft in West Papua and Papua New Guinea." So we took him, we snatched him up, grabbed him by his ankles, dragged him in a fishing net, brought him over to a black site, do some rendition for him, and we did some witch boarding to try to make him lose his Sanguma.
All right, I just want to summarize this. I know I got this straight. So you said you ran into Popeye in a town outside of the United States, and you saw Mr. Pilsner here levitating without any. Was there a fish line attached to him at all?
We didn't see your fish line. But
Did
we
you like wave your hand over and under him just to make sure there was no foul play in the levitation?
Your Honor, in such situations, you don't have time to think. You have to react.
My wife and I went to see David Copperfield, and we just saw a fish line once on a floating thing he did. It was with a boat.
Well, we know Mr. Copperfield. He's an honorable witch,
All
but
right.
he is not. Charles is not. He has bad sanguma.
Okay, so is there, how exactly do you test to see if someone's a witch or not?
I can tell you how they test, Judge.
All
They
right.
strap me down.
Frank,
Here.
no bite. I mean, he no witch yet.
Perhaps I could talk to the dogs. We understand each other.
Well, why don't you just talk to me? I'm the judge, and that
Charles,
yes.
can you make Spike sit?
Sit, Spike. Oof.
Thank you very much.
Oh my God, Judge! Look, he sat down for
Mr.
him.
Pilsner, I'm actually reading a book on the occult, so I'd like to know how they test if you're a witch or not.
Your Honor, as I was saying before we were interrupted by the dogs here, they strapped me down to a table and they poked me with hot sticks. They called me a witch repeatedly, day after day. 24 hours, 7 days a week. They came in, witch, witch. They translated it to different languages. They put on a record player that had the word witch played repeatedly.
Did they say witch?
Yes, they said witch, witch is witch. They brought in witch sandwiches that they forced me to eat day in and day out.
So let me get this straight. They strap you down, they poke you with hot things, they call you a member of a sandwich shop punch club card member, and then that's it. How do they exactly figure out if you're a witch? I'm just trying to take notes here.
Then they threw me in the water, and then if I drowned or not, then I was or wasn't a witch.
Did you drown, sir?
Obviously not, but
Well, obviously you may have.
That is
and
why
you
he's a witch.
may have been revived. So I need to get this part of the story straight. Did you partially drown and come back, or did you not drown at all?
well, it's a complicated thing, Your Honor.
It's a yes or no question.
You see, when I was a young boy,
I'm not interested in your backstory here, Charles. I just want to know if you drowned or you did not drown. That's the
Tell
ultimate
them the
test.
truth, Charles. Did you drown or not?
All right, order in my courtroom.
Calm down, guys. Let him talk.
Thank you, bailiff. I'm going to throw you another piece of cheese here with some
Oh,
crackers
yeah,
after
yeah,
break.
yeah.
Charles, did you drown or not drown?
I did not.
All right, so you're saying you weren't a witch because you didn't drown after you ate it. What kind of bread was on your sandwich? Was it whole wheat or was it a flat type bread, the kind of make out of yoga mats?
No, it was standard white bread.
All right. Dr. Wiltimer, please respond.
Yes, first of all, there's not a single witch in documentation that's ever eaten a sandwich on white bread. Doesn't happen. Secondly, he did not drown. Therefore, he must be a witch. Because only humans.
Well, excuse me
Drown.
here. The man said he did not drown, and you're saying he did not drown. So you're actually telling me the same thing.
Yes, he did not drown, which means he's a witch. Otherwise, if he was a normal human, he would have drowned.
All
and
right.
he cannot eat plain white bread. And especially a witch sandwich has to be a lettuce wrap.
All right. What I understand from you is there's kind of a 2 points of view here. You're saying if someone floats, they're a witch. And Mr. Pilsner says if they drown, they're a witch.
It depends on the perspective, Judge.
But he floated, and he's not a witch. And you say he floated, and he is a witch.
Correct. He's a witch.
All right. Well, I'll tell you what we're going to do here. I'm going to get out a Ouija board, and I want us all to put our hands on it, and
Put your hands there,
we're going to
Charles.
ask if
Yeah.
Charles is a witch or not. All right. Mister, I'm going to have to channel something here. Dear Grandpa, who asked me when I was 4 to grow up and be a judge, please come in to the Ouija board and tell us if Charles here is a witch or not. Oh my gosh, look at that. Close your eyes, you two. I see your eyes open. Mine can be open because I'm the judge.
Don't cheat, guys. Don't
That's right,
cheat.
Bailiff. Thank you. My eyes open because I'm the ruler of the courtroom. Okay. Charles, is he a witch? It's going towards the end. Oh, now it's going to number 2. Not the board going number 2. It's just going. Now it's going to the Y. Y. E. Now it's back to O. Yow. What's that mean?
That means in Chinese, yes, he's a witch.
Now, Dr. Wiltimer, I see I have your resume in front of me, And it does say you speak Chinese. Is that exactly how you spell yes?
Yes, that's how you pronounce it in Szechuan.
Well, it sounds like I got some ruling to make here. Okay. I see in this court case too, Charles, that you are in your lawsuit, you are wanting $22.75. I have no clue what that's for, but I'm going to rule in favor of Dr. Wilsma and say, Charles, you are a witch, and we're going to execute you.
Ban him.
We're going to execute you, sir, right after this court case is closed, and that's right now.
That's fair enough.
Stay tuned for Talking Points with Shabazz Davis. And make sure to give the Windcast your suggestions during the break on what topic Shabazz should swing a bat at. Next on Mile High Sports Radio.